Napalit mo kung...
Sige na ba yun? Tumana. Play na, Meg. Play na ba yun? Na-play na po. Ang itong sound ba? Sige mo sapaw. Dungan ha. Dungan. It happened last night. About 10 to 11, and the first laid eyes on you. We're standing in line into the Club 777. It was just like heaven, a dream come true. We're standing in the right place at the right time. When you just echo, girl, goes out around. You're my pretty little girl who make me a fool in love. Got my heart in my world, and now it is calling. You set my heart on fire, and now I don't know what to do. You set my heart on fire, and now I'm so in love with you, my eho girl. Dato humanunday, isagpon. Kita, Mega. Feeling in now, something I never felt. My heart so hot, I think I'm gonna melt. So how I wanna see you again, my love. Sent from above, yeah. And beautiful girls who just sing of you. But out of all the beauty in the world, there's no one quite like you. You're my pretty little eho girl who make me a fool in love. Got my heart in my world, and now it is full in love. You set my heart on fire. Now I don't know what to do. You set my heart on fire. And now I'm so in love with you, my eho girl. Mahal dito ka, Mega. Mahal ba yung kailangan sa camera, girl? Oo, sa siya ni Marlene. Rod! More for the beauty.
Go, go.
Oh my God!
Abong ka ang butuan doon na.
Abong ka ang butuan, bugmak ka na.